Washed. Washed coffee used to be the gold standard. Clean, bright, structured. For years, it was the default way to show off a coffee's quality, especially if it came from places like Kenya, Ethiopia, or Colombia. But lately, it feels like the standard is slipping. Everyone's talking about anaerobic processes, fermentation tanks, carbonic maceration, coffees that taste more like fruit punch than coffee. They're louder, flashier, sometimes fun, but it's made me wonder, are washed coffees still special? Are they washed? I just picked up 2 coffees that are supposed to be among the best. One's a washed Kenyan, the others are washed Colombian. They're not cheap. They're high-end by anyone's standard. But I'm not going into this assuming anything. In fact, I'm skeptical. Because let's be honest, just calling a coffee high-end doesn't make it meaningful. I've been duped and fucked all kinds of ways. Because let's be honest, just calling a coffee high-end doesn't make it meaningful. Trust me, I've been duped so many times. And just being washed doesn't make it memorable. So here's what I'm doing. I'm going to brew these coffees a lot across different devices, recipes, styles. I'm going to push them a little. A lot. Mess with extractions. Taste them hot and cold. See how they age. I'm not trying to find the perfect cup. I want to find out if they still matter. Not to the industry, not to judges or Q graders, but to me, and maybe to you. Because here's the bigger question behind all of this. Have we moved on from washed coffee? Or are we just bored with clarity? Are we just bored with simple? Are we just bored with one-hit wonders? Have we traded balance for funk, familiarity, for novelty? And when we say a coffee is high-end, are we just paying for the idea of excellence? Or something that actually makes us pause, think, and wonder, like, damn, this is what coffee's all about. This isn't a takedown, it's a challenge. To the coffees, sure, but also to myself. I roast coffee, I drink it every day, but I've been thinking a lot lately about what makes a cup worth remembering. Not just good, not just well executed, but worth slowing down for. Kind of just pause into your whole day, into your whole world, where you just think and wonder, like, wow, this is truly coffee. So that's the series. I don't know how it's going to end. I might fall in love with these coffees. I might not, but I promise I'll keep it honest. If that sounds like something you're into, stick around. Let's see if washed coffee still has a place in 2025. I'll see you on the other side. Talk to you soon.